Hey, welcome back to Java tutorials. In this tutorial you will understand what is loops, syntax and types of loops in Java. In general, loops something looks like this, means doing same task again and again. Instead of writing same code many times, we can use this loops concepts. The advantages of using loops in coding saves lot of time and reduce errors, and the code is more readable and understandable. For example, if you are printing numbers from 1 to 1000, it's not possible to write all the numbers from 1 to 1000, right? So in that way you can say starting from 1 to 1000 print all numbers. So it's so simple. Now let's understand the syntax for the loops. We need starting point. This we can call as initialization, and ending point, this is like condition. Task means what needs to be executed. Increment or decrement, this one is useful for where to move, whether you have to go to next number or whether you have to go to backward. We already discussed this increment and decrement operator in detail while we were discussing about operators. There are three types of loops in Java. First one is while loop, second one is do while loop, and third one is for loop. For loop is very simple and handy, and we can also observe most of the programmers use this for loop. Now let's talk about types of loops one by one. The first one is while loop. The syntax of the while loop is, first we need to initialize the variable. This is starting point, I mean. Then we need to give the condition. If the condition is true, then it performs the execution of the code. In addition, we also give increment or decrement operator. This is pretty much the basic syntax for the while loop. The second one, do while loop, also similar to the while loop, but the difference is do while loop first executes the code. We also have the initialization, means a starting point, then execution. After that we will give the condition here. After that increment or decrement. We need to remember here one thing is the code must be executed at least once here. That is the main difference between while and do while loop. Now the important one is for loop. In for loop the syntax is like this. We have to give three parameters. The first parameter is starting point, second one is condition, third one is increment or decrement. If the condition is true, then we start execution. After looking these three syntaxes upfront, we can say this is easy and simple, and even while writing the code also you can observe that one. And for writing the code, it's easy to understand and more readable. That's the reason for loop is like handy. The next and important thing to understand is when to use for loop, while loop or do while loop. For is used if the number of iterations is fixed. If you don't know like how many iterations we need to do, in that case it's preferable to use while loop. And if the number of iterations not fixed, and also if you need to execute the code at least once, in that case we need to take do while loop. This of course completely depends on the requirements. This is the basic and key information about for, while and do while loop. We'll talk one by one and we will implement one by one coding in my next tutorials. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials. See you in my next video. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, happy learning.